Sani Bonani Nijani, welcome back to our YouTube channel, KZN Podcast. Today we're speaking about Minnie Ntuli from Igagasi FM, Owenza Breakfast Show, who also was a cast of The Real Housewives of Durban the last season. And we know all of us how she left the show and how she disappeared from the radio station after she had a fight with Londi London and Abantaba Ningige. They were speaking of the fact that she's a bully, she's all of this and all of that, and they were boycotting for her to leave the radio station, and a special leave, and she tried to apologize to Londi, and Londi said, no, I'm gonna sue you. Offered that suing, we don't know what happened to it. Looks like the suing did not prosper. Now, Ogeli has come back. Well, she's been back on the radio station. She's doing well. She's good. She's happy. Siyasakaza futhi again on the breakfast show, and abantu South Africa, there's so many things that are happening in a way that there is no way that you could just sit and ulandela the story that happened today. Tomorrow's what happened today, because there's something new that's going to shock you. That's South Africa for you. So meaning, obviously, she came back on the radio station. Everybody has moved. South Africans, they will act. And then she went back to the radio station. And about they forgot. Even Londi London did not even sue Ugel. But turns out to Sisigi around those times stressing a corn, and there were pictures of her where she was trending, seen like as if she's expecting. So Ugel says June, while she was away and stressing emiti that she's becoming a missus. She has posted, she's told us, we don't know who's missus she's becoming, but she is indeed June 26, something like that. She was telat and bafika bakhonge khaya nabakhwenyane kubo khona ke bazocela isihlobo sihle kubo kwamini. Baningi abantu ku social media where they have different opinions. Of course they're gonna have different opinions. Abanye bathi akahamba yoshaya umamezala, abanye bathi yo baze bavelelo sisibale yakhona, abanye bathi what amanento denjane lethathu mini. Abantu they just making, ama jokes because obviously she is known kwathiwa ifamily yakhe nje yonke usisibakhe umabakhe, they kind of more like bullies. So ke abantu bathi yo, what a brave man that has decided to just go and take a woman that is known ukuthi she is a bully. We do not know. Okay, let me not say we do not know, because abantu ababefunda now they came out basho ukuthi no, she was like this and like this is Colin. But the thing is now, people are different, they act different on different people. Maybe she's the loving person in her family, maybe she's the most loveliest person to the husband, to be the boyfriend, to the baby daddy. Maybe she's the gift of the gift to the in-laws. We can't say because we saw that side of her on TV, that's her reality. She's nice on Igagasi when she's at work, when we hear or when you listen. So we are just assuming as listeners or as social media commentators, because obviously we always want to have an opinion of what is happening, but we don't know ukuthi she's a bad person or not. That's what's ne family yake or no baby daddy wake or and the husband to be askaya as family yake entsha. We do not know the name and the surname. We know ukuthi Sabelo Sabza, but we do not know the surname, and we do not know even if it appears on that video, but we wouldn't know. So some people, they know. As soon as we know, we will post the husband. But guess it's a congratulations mini and uli mantulu hambe uyemzini yobahlonipha ntombi uvusikhaya.